I have been laughing since I saw this post. Wonder shall never end. Only in Nigeria you will see such kind of news that we're about to watch. Watch it to the end because I have something else to say. And we are going to read some comments and you will see some are making sense. Some of the APC supporter, fuel subsidy that you overheard that is a good solution. And you people are applying it. Imagine where this country, we are just starting. Imagine where the country is heading to. I know Tinubu supporters will just conjaga ban supporters. You people will come under this post or previous other videos that I've done and so start to say all kind of things. We are making the country to be better. We are shouting that the country should be better than ever for everybody. And all you guys are doing is blind debates, blind follow. We have not even succeeded in any of those things that we're talking. Now, fuel subsidy. Now, back to what I was saying. This is a filling station using generator to sell fuel. Where does that happen? Have a look yourself so you can understand what I'm trying to say.
I'm in a filling station where they are selling fuel. And the man who is selling fuel is not using fuel in the generator. He's using gas. For him to be using gas.
This is the new system that is happening nowadays. That you go and change your carburetor to gas carburetor. So you are using generator, not just that he is using generator, he is also using gas, not diesel, not fuel. He is using gas to pump fuel for people to buy. This is unbelievable.
The filling station means this thing is real. You better start to. It's real.
That is why they cover it. You can see where he kept the gas is covered. That is telling you how crook and.
I'm in a filling station. He's not using fuel in the generator.
Yeah, you can see. He's covering it. He's covering it.
For him to be using gas,
you see?
Means this thing is...
He's covering it because he's not proud to tell people that he is proud to be using Jane. Yeah, everybody knows about when there is no light, they will use Jane to sell their fuel. But for him to be covering the gas, that is where the omen is. It may not look like it's not omen, but it is a calamity coming our way. We must rise now. Pray as much as you can. Shout as much as you can. This what we are about to enter into. It is going to swallow a lot of people. A lot of people will not be alive to tell the story or how they're surviving or how the solution is going to come. If you know you are alive, begin to support the right thing. I'm an obedient. And if you know you are an obedient is not about to obey. Obedient is just a symbol of change. And may God help us so that God, in His infinite mercy, visit that country called Nigeria. Subsidy or whatsoever they call it. Let's first of all start from the reality. Having the right principle and applying it rightfully. Not just you go and borrow idea, you don't even know how to apply it, and you are doing it. And then now, fuel from the first day. This is a sign and a symbol of calamity ahead. If you come to the comment section, you will see all kind of comments. It's mostly fun. Kaiga there, so that if what the comments are, what they look like, you know. So and this one say, and you call this filling station, you are not serious. Even person wey produce it, they use iPhone. So no mean anything. No mean anything. You see, people will not take it serious. So that is one blessing that we have in that country. We commonize everything. Doesn't matter whatsoever happens, we can always commonize it. What of me that does not use Jane but inverter? Okay. Filling station is on the brim of collapse before the gas in the cylinder. Okay. Who knows where I can get it in Enugu? This one is looking for where to buy the same thing. So now people will soon stop using fuel. People will now be going, that one will even go higher, and this thing can catch fire like anything. This kind of gas cylinder, I've seen where it destroyed a almost half street. When anything happen, it will blow like a atomic bomb, and it will enter another compound, and that is how almost a street got destroyed. So this one say, "Patrol na your mate." Thanks to subsidy remover, enjoy renewed hope Jagaban. Please, where are you located? How much that carburetor, and how much is that carburetor, and how can I get it? You know, see, this is another advert for the people using that carburetor, or people using gas. But even this clip has become an avenue for people to know about this generator tips that will be cheaper, because with that thing you can do your gen for the whole day effortlessly. I see risk uncontrolled fire. This one is better than filling station owner. Before you give your service to NNPC, stop Tunumbu. Okay, I bought fuel yesterday. Dear, that's my own. Can that Jane power that filling station? Okay, let's see what this guy wrote. It is not a smart decision to use gas to power your Jane or car in Nigeria today. This is because the country has only one NLG production facility. Presently, we produce about 45% of the gas we use. The balance is imported. Is imported into the country. When everybody turn to use gas, what happened to petrol will happen to gas, except the country build more NLG facility. Think solar, and you have escaped the exploiters. That is just the truth. Think solar, and you have escaped the exploiters. Now is the survival of the fittest. Now, when you are thinking of the how to survive, what of your brother? What of where you will buy other stuff? What of other stuff that will make your life easy? The best thing to think is how we can all fight this corruption, this bad